you don't know who I am, my name's Nicole Chan. I'm coming live at you from Ontario, Canada. I'm just kind of making sure you're a little bit straight. I think you're going to be cricket. I'm going to be cricket the whole time. Okay, let's see if I can get you a little straighter here. Let's see if that will, oh, that just made it worse. Technical difficulties! But this video is going to be all about how to make some keto-friendly pumpkin spice bread. Are we? We're even worse. There we go. There we go. I think we're straight now. Some pumpkin spice bread. So this video piqued your interest. Like, hello, keto-friendly pumpkin spice bread. Definitely stay tuned. But when you pop on the live, you can drop me a 1. If you're watching the replay, you can drop me a 2. And if you're new to my crazy little show that I put on every single day, you can put new in the comments. I'm going to try and angle you down a little bit. No, I'm just crooked again. No, I'm just not going to be straight today, I don't think. But we are making pumpkin spice bread. What I'm going to do is make 2 little mini pumpkin spice breads. The recipe is above, okay, and that's enough to make either 2 or 3 of these, I can't remember, bread, okay, in little dishes, okay. If you want to make a big loaf, all you do is just, and I have it on the recipe up there, you just ×3 everything, okay, to make a nice big loaf. But we're just making a little snack here, so these are going to be like mini pumpkin spice breads, okay? And of course, 100% keto friendly. Let's see if I can. Maybe if I just kind of work over here, I'll move stuff over. Then you'll be able to see a little bit better. There, I think you can see a little bit better. Yeah, I think you can. Okay. So what we're going to do first is we're going to add our wet ingredients first, okay? So we're going to add our eggs. We got 2 eggs here. We're going to add our eggs. Ugh. Oh, and we're going to try not to put eggshell in our bread here, because we don't want that. We don't want that. Okay. Yeah, go ahead, put this there, honey. Hi. Yeah. Okay, egg number 2. Okay. Now what we're going to do, I'm going to get the egg off of me, and then we're going to mix the, there we go, the eggs kind of together, okay? So you want to just kind of like mix it up a little bit. Don't touch, honey, okay? Everything is already pre-measured. You're just going to say hi this whole video. Hi. And we're all still in our PJs because we are all under the weather today. We are. We're a little sick today, so don't mind our PJs. So there we go. Our eggs are mixed together. And what we're going to do is we're going to add our vanilla extract to it. All right. Okay. Almost spilt it do not rub yourself on me while I do this, please. Thank you. There we go. Hi, honey. No, it's okay. We want it. We want the vanilla in there. Oh, thank you, Bridget. I appreciate you. Thank you so much for sharing. All right. And now we're just going to do another little stir here. Another little stir. Okay. Then we're going to start adding some of this the drier stuff, okay? So we're going to add the pureed pumpkin, okay? And that's literally a pumpkin all pureed. That's all it is, okay? All right. So we're going to add the pureed pumpkin to it, okay? And at this point, we're going to kind of like stop stirring. All right, we're just going to add the rest of the ingredients to it. Okay, so we got the pureed pumpkin. This is almond flour. Okay, so I'm using almond flour. And I just got it everywhere, didn't I? That did not work out because this is too small of a thing. Okay, let's kind of scoop some of it up. Let's scoop some of it up. It's not a video until I mess up in some sort of way. Yep. For those of you just tuning in, the recipe is above. And also above, there's also a 30-day keto meal plan free, absolutely free, that's attached to the link above as well. So you can have a nice little meal plan and get your keto journey started. So, who here is keto, or at least trying to do low carb? Are you all keto watching? Or are you just trying to do low carb? What's everyone doing? Me personally, we are, I guess this is pink Himalayan salt I add to everything, because when you're keto, your electrolytes get sucked out of your body, so you want to replace them. So everything I make from scratch gets the pink Himalayan salt in it, just as electrolytes, right? But for us personally, we do lots and lots of keto meals. But for the most part, we're pretty strict keto while we're home. But if we're on vacation, we're like low carb. We got our ketones, so it really doesn't matter how we eat. But we do want to have good eating habits, so we do try and eat keto or low carb. So that is pumpkin pie spice that I did, and then this is just a little bit of Swerve for the sugar, okay? Now I'm going to pop on the lid here, okay, and we're just going to plop it into the blender that I have here. I got a magic bullet. That's what I'm doing, I said. Okay, magic bullet. All right, and we're just going to... mix it. I'm going to do a little shake, shake, shake. Right? Shake, 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 shake it. Yeah, all done. And we're going to take this out. I'm just going to scrape the sides, because that's kind of where the flour hangs out. Go. We're just going to mix that little extra flour in, and then we're going to plop it into our pans here, okay? Now, you want to preheat your oven at 350, okay? And then you want to cook it for 30 minutes, okay? These little pies, okay? I call them little pies, but really we're making bread. We're making bread. We are. That's what we're doing. Okay, and now that the flour on the edge is all mixed in, what we're going to do here is we're actually going to just fill these up halfway, okay? Because you did put an egg in, so it is going to rise. So you want to just do it halfway in here, okay? I'm going to angle you guys down a little bit further. There you go. Now you can see it just a little bit better. You can't see me, but you can see it better. All right? And then we're going to do this. One. Right, Evelyn? Two? Yeah, two. Are we back? We're back. We lost connection there for a minute. We did. We lost connection there for a minute. And we went a little bit dark. There we go. We're back. We're back. Okay, so now we've spooned it all out, and we're going to shove it in the oven. What I'm going to do when they come out is I'll take a picture of them, and I'll post it in the comments so you guys can see. But basically, you want to fill it up just like that if you're going to use these little things. What you can also do is, I know that Pampered Chef, and I think maybe Epicure does have this too. They have those little trays with the bars. Oh my gosh, do that, okay? Fill up those trays with the bars and then stick it in the oven. So good. Or you can make the big loaf as well, okay? So I have the recipe above for all of them, all the different ways you can do it. We're just making little treats here for these girls, but I'm going to leave you guys to it. If you enjoyed this video, definitely hit me in the face. Hit. On the top right hand corner here is going to be 3 little dots. You're going to click that and it's going to come up as follow. You're going to hit follow, see first, and you'll never miss one of my videos. Okay, I come in like on these videos and I teach you guys how to cook all the time. With my kids being crazy in the background. Yeah. But I thought since we're all, thank you for coughing on the bread. We're all sick. I thought we'd make a little treat for everyone. So pumpkin spice bread today. Yeah, and it's fall. It's fall. The pumpkins are coming out of the pumpkin patch. So we're gonna have lots of pumpkins soon. So we gotta come up with different recipes to use up our pumpkins. All right, but we are gonna go because I also have to start cooking supper. But I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.